welcome back to my channel. So nobody asked, I'm just kidding. So today I'm filming a Boxycharm unboxing video and a try-on. We got 5 items, full-size items. So if you would like to see how I got this eyeshadow orangey look and see me try on my Boxycharm things, then keep on watching. QMS Meta Cosmetics Lip Line Corrector. This is the serum. We will see how that does. How cool is this bottle, by the way? So you turn the top and this part comes up and out. Sucker for packaging. In this month's box, there's a BB cream. So I've never tried a BB cream or a CC cream before. I'm pretty excited, but that's why I'm putting concealer on first because it's not like a foundation. So I just want to make sure that everything, like wherever I have, you know, dark spots or red spots or purple spots, that it's all covered. I'm using my same concealers that I use always because, you know, I still have them. It's my Tarte Shape Tape and my Milani 2-in-1. I haven't made a video in a really long time. I have been having really bad anxiety and like there's been a lot of things going on, so I haven't mustered up the energy to film. But I have been watching a lot of YouTube videos. What are some of the favorite videos that you guys like to watch? Can you leave it in the comments down below? Like for me, I love watching like favorites videos. I also love watching Bailey Sarian. She does this murder, mystery, and makeup Monday series. Oh my gosh. When I saw it on Raw Beauty Christie's channel, she mentioned Bailey Sarian. So then I went to Bailey Sarian. I literally watched all 67 of her murder, mystery, makeup videos. Like, it's so good. Like, I love watching like true crime, like unsolved mysteries, cold case files, like all of that stuff. So Bailey Sarian does her makeup, which she does such beautiful like artistry makeup looks while she's talking about it, and it's so, I don't know, like it calms me down just watching her put makeup on her face, but while talking about these videos. And I love her personality. So her, and I've been watching all of what other videos have I been watching? The Naya Rivera story. Oh my gosh, I don't want to start crying, so I'm not even going to talk about it, but it's so sad. So sad. If you haven't heard the story, you need to look it up. I'll be right back. There's no lip stuff in this Boxycharm, so I already lined my lips. I line them. Cosmetic Junkie Brownie, which is shade 21. A little bit of NYX Butter Lipstick in the shade Root Beer Float. Are they even? I always ask myself that because I overline my lips. I got the Lashaholic lashes, luxury lashes, it says. Ready, set, get addicted. Excited to see what those look like. They look really light, so it'll be interesting to see how they look on, because you know, lashes are kind of like dresses. You never know what they're gonna look like until you put them on yourself. Got the Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara in the shade Black. Cool, I like trying new mascaras. I've been using the same one for months and months and months, so I'm down. The Pure Lace Perfect Glow BB Cream with SPF 30. This is oil-free, moisturizing, natural looking coverage, matte meets glowy finish. It improves skin complexion, softens an even skin tone, hydrates the skin, helps reduce fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, dullness, and other signs of aging. And it prevents UVA and UVB damage. This is in the shade Medium 10. I'm excited to try this. I've never tried a BB cream before, ever. It's just not something that I've ever bought. I'm excited to try it because lately I've been trying to do like very light foundation looks. So, and then we have a full size, all of these are full size products, which is cool. This is the Touch in Soul Philip Orange. I love orange shadow. I wear orange shadow on my crease every day. Ooh. This is the palette right here. This is a crazy glitter shade. This is like a highlight. Okay, cool. I didn't get a highlight in this box, so I can use this as a highlight. I'm excited. There's like a good base color. There's oranges. This is like a matte orange, orange glitter. These are very neutral tones. I love neutral everyday looks, so I'm excited to try it. Because I try and get a good setup here. Now I have my plant here. I have a candle, so right now this is as much of a setup as I can get. I hope you guys can still hear me with this on. This is like to protect your hairline from the makeup. Protect the earrings. My earrings are in there. Whew, that was crazy to get on, but it is on. Let's start with the BB cream. I like to shake everything, so here we go, shake it up. It has a little tab that you pull. Okay, beauty blender. I'm just gonna go little by little. This looks like a straight up foundation. I only wear about that much foundation. Hi, LED Rose.
Hi, say hi to them.
You guys, I have a little surprise here. We have LED Rose. Yay! Say hi, LED Rose.
Hi. So tell them I have my cereal.
She has her cereal with her, guys. She's eating Cinnamon Toast Crunch today.
And then tell them that.
You tell them something.
So guys, I'm eating my cereal so I can go to Grandma's house. Do you want to come with us, guys?
Yay! Okay. Thank you, LED Rose. We will see you right now in a little bit, okay?
Okay, bye, guys.
Bye. Okay, guys, so we're gonna go in with this BB cream. Pretty good shade, what I can tell so far from my skin tone. Let's see here. This is the finish of it. It is a little glowy. I do like it a lot. I put on concealer to cover up spots and stuff before this. So I am gonna set it because it is very glowy. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Tarte bronzer in this box. So I'm using my Butter Bronzer. This is the dark, because I've been going swimming in outdoors, so I need the dark one right now. I'm gonna put on a little highlight. I'm gonna use this shade. Looks like it's called, but first, got this shade right here, which is a little bit of an orangey highlight. Well, it's a shadow, but we're gonna use it as highlight. Okay, I'm gonna use my little nose contour brush, and I'm gonna contour my nose a little bit with the Butter Bronzer. A little bit going across. I blended my nose contour to my eyebrow, like this. And then I come down, up on the tip, and across right here. Then I do take my brush where I put my setting powder on, and then I just tap it like this. Boop, 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 boop. And then I go up on the side, as so. I'm doing my hair as it air dries, so I only have a little bit of my hair done so far, but don't worry, we'll get there. I don't like to blow dry my hair that much, unless I have to, then I will. When I would get ready for work, I would blow dry it every day, and it takes a really long time. It's the longest part of my getting ready procedure, and I just hate it. Now that I do not go to work every day, and I do my hair. Well, I don't blow dry my hair. Sometimes I still style it, but I let it air dry now, for the most part. I have my MAC Prep and Prime 24-hour Extend Eye Base. And this really does help. There's a lot of primers that I'm like, does that even do anything? The MAC one, it's really light, and it's not thick. It feels good. I'm gonna go into this base shade right here. It's a little light, so I'm mixing it with my Tarte powder. You tap and dust. Okay, so now I have my color switch. Okay, now I have my color switch. So we're gonna go in to this shade right here. I hate when they have the names on a clear thing like this. This is called Affogato. So we're gonna go into Affogato. I'm putting this on the crease. We're also gonna go in with Tarte, which is the orangey shade. This is the very neutral base crease color. So we're laying this one down first, and then we'll go in with the orange. Tapping off the excess. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a more precise blending brush. This is the MAC 217 with that Tarte shade. Put that on the outer and bring it all along the crease. I love orange colors so much. Tapping into it, tapping off the excess, outer crease, and bringing it all the way in. We did one go at it. Now I'm having another go, just to help build up that color. I bring it in all the way. Gonna go in with the first brush that we use with the first shade and just kind of soften up the edges a little bit with that one. I'm not done with the orange. I'm gonna look at it from far and see wherever I need more different mirrors. Should we do a halo eye? Let's do a halo eye. So to do the halo eye, I'm gonna boop, boop, place the orange in here as well, right on the inner corner. Bringing the orange a little bit higher. I have a pretty big space there between my lid and my brow. So I'm going in with the first shade and kind of blending it all together. Way down here. I put the orange highlighty shade to make this color pop a little bit more. I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer. The lightest shade of my concealer, I'm gonna pop some of that in the middle of that halo that we created. So I'm gonna put some of this concealer on the back of my hand and work from there. And then I always try to bring it up a little bit higher. Going over the edge of that. My finger into that shade. The cover came off, so I don't know what the name is. And I'm just tapping it over where we lay down that concealer. Okay, I'm gonna tap into the orange shade edges of that. I'm tapping it on and then like blending inwards. Let's try the Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara. So I don't think I'm gonna do eyeliner. I think I'm gonna leave this halo eye and then just put on these lashes. See how that looks. Oh, the brush for this is nice. It's like the other eye. The faces, right? Like try to put mascara on without making a face. I did a 1 coat on each eye. I'm going to do 2 coats on each eye. So I hope this is not waterproof mascara. I hate waterproof mascara. Oh well, if it is, it's too late now. It doesn't say waterproof. Ultra dark, extra volume, velvet finish mascara. Get triple the effects in 1 swipe with our Triple X mascara. Okay, good. It's not waterproof. I hate waterproof mascara. Like to take it off, you have to rip off your eyelashes. And that's not something I like to do. And brush out my eyebrows here. They're looking a little, I've been struggling with my eyebrows. And all of a sudden I have to tweeze my eyebrows too. Like, I never noticed that I have to tweeze until after I put on eyeshadow, and then all of a sudden I'm like, whoa, okay, I do have to tweeze today. Which is almost every day. Which I don't mind doing. I love tweezing my eyebrows. It's like relaxing to me. Yeah, my cousin used to tweeze all of our eyebrow hairs out back in the day. It was like, got me addicted to tweezing my eyebrows because it was so relaxing. Like I would tweeze her eyebrows and she would tweeze mine, and we would like lay on each other's laps and we'd be there like, and like, yes, keep going. So funny. We used to have chola eyebrows, trust me. Like, I don't even know what my original eyebrow shape is. Who knows? Because I went through the super thin brows and then I like grew them out. I used to get them threaded at one point. The crunch when they thread your eyebrows, it's the best crunch ever. But I personally love tweezing mine. Give me a moment. I thought like just bronzer was gonna be enough, but I just need a little bit. So I'm gonna use my Smashbox contour palette. This little brush right here, it's an e.l.f. brush, but I don't know what number or the name of it. Going into the contour shade. Soaking in my face. Going down my neck so my double chin can disappear. A little bit along my hairline. A little bit on my ears. Then I'm gonna take my e.l.f. areas. I'm gonna go in with the light shade. Slightly go under my eye, just a little tap to brighten up a little bit. Like that. Okay, so I'm gonna put these lashes on next. Give me just a moment because my mama home. This is a bodysuit from Free People. I love Free People. I wish we had a full Free People store here. We don't, but we do have the boutique inside of Dillard's. This one I had gotten when I went to San Diego a few years back for Elodie's second birthday. I got it out there, but they do have the Free People inside of Dillard's, and then it's also available online. Lashes time. So these are the lashes. Super like natural-ish. The band seems pretty strong, which I love. I hate when you're about to take them out of the package and they rip. That's like the worst thing ever. They're real, I swear, from the brand Lashaholic. Okay, I'm gonna size them really quick to see like how much I have to cut off. I'm gonna put them on my eye. They look really pretty. Of course, it's not fully on yet. That's just like, I always have to cut about the same amount off of these. 2 knots. Okay, I'm gonna put on some lip gloss. This is the number 7. It goes with our whole number 7 high shine lip gloss. It's like an orangey, glittery lip gloss. Cutting off the 2 knots off of my other side. I always flip them over. So for the one on the right, I hold it exactly how it is, and the one on the left, I flip it over and then I cut it off like that. And I have my Ardell glue. the brush on glue, applying it, and we gotta wait for it to dry. Wait for it to dry. While we wait for the lash glue to dry, I'm gonna bend the lash and go back and forth like that. I'm gonna curl out this lash. 5 Mississippi. Grab it by the middle. Grabbing it by the middle. Looking up. And popping that on. Grab the inner corner. Glue that down. These are so natural. The lashes are pretty, really. They just change up your eyes so much. If you have a basic eye look, put on lashes, and boom. I could have probably cut just one off. But for me, I'd rather have like a smaller lash than like an extra longer lash, and then it's a little bit harder to put on. When you trim them, they're easier to put on. And then once you wear them once, they kind of like form to your eyes. So then you pop them off, save them, and then they're easier to put on the next time. Putting the lash glue, this is the left side. Okay. Wait for it to dry. Boom, boom, boom. I always go like this through my tweezers because sometimes you will get lash glue on your tweezers, and then when you try to put on your lash, it will stick to the tweezers and not your eye, and then it comes off, and then you have a big old mess. My right side of my lashes has already dried. To curl, once you have the lashes on and your lashes, curl them together. But don't curl for a very long time, just kind of do like a one squish movement because they can get damaged. Synthetic or fake lashes, if you curl them too much, they will get stuck in that position and messed up. Like they'll literally fold in half and then they'll be like super bent. I want to be a little more bronze. There's no me. 30 minutes of applying bronzer and then 10 minutes of actual makeup time. I'm going to use my MAC Sun Soaked Strip, which is my darkest bronzer shade. And I'm going to just tap over. I just like to be very bronzy, like the most bronzy I could be. A combination of my setting sprays on, and I'm going to tap in a corner highlight. So a little tiny e.l.f. brush. I'm going in with the shade that I used for highlight, and I'm going to pop that right there. Because we have the halo eye, it'll go from highlight to matte orange shade to the lid shade to then matte orange again. So I really love doing a halo eye because your highlight pops even more. My setting spray. some right here as well. My eyebrows even as they're gonna get, girl. Okay, thank you very much for answering that. All right. So that is it, guys, for this video. Thank you so much for watching my Boxycharm unboxings, Jeannette I'm and a Boxycharm. I like them both. I think the Boxycharm is a little bit better, but I love makeup. I go shopping for makeup all the time, and this takes, you know, the guesswork out of it. You don't have to wear a mask. You don't have to go into the store. You don't have to go to the mall. You don't have to order it online. They kind of bundle it together for you, ship it to your house. So I like that. I like trying different things. I had never tried any of these products before, and I really enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you know whenever I upload a video. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked this type of video. Also, comment in the comment section down below what kind of videos you guys would like to see. I'm gonna film a favorites video soon here, so I'm excited for that because I love favorites videos. So if you have any recommendations, drop them in the comment section down below. Thank you guys. We'll see you on my next one. Bye.